Walked out to the bus this morning to see this. Anyway, don't have a video from yesterday. The broken rib was kind of getting to me. But my brother, Samantha, and Caleb all got a ton of work done, and I'm really, really grateful to have them. Caleb took out the rear heating element. Jordan and Samantha tore out the rest of the flooring and subflooring, and Jordan ground down the remaining bolt stems to be flush with the floor to get it ready for the subfloor. Samantha assisted with that. The rear heater that would heat the interior of the bus, like where the kids were seating if there were still bus seats, actually works off of radiator lines running from the radiator, and then there's a fan that turns on to blow the warm air around, but in the meantime it's always running.
They're not affecting
They're currently trying to take apart this bus seat to see if I can reuse the seat belts. This is what the inside of a bus seat looks like. If you ever want to take out your rage, just get a hammer and a bus seat. It'll probably be okay. So while they're out there, I'm just doing a preliminary test run. And look at that. The backup camera's working just fine. So I had to remove this screw from that there to go ahead and remove the rearview mirror. But you might be saying, hey Trevor, isn't that kind of dangerous? Well, I got the best rearview mirror right here. Actually, because everything's in the back, this is like the only thing that I can use to look